Lost in the wild. All right, what are we doing, Scott? We're about to go to Dairy Queen.
Right, Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. And then what are we doing?
Top thrill.
Riding Top Thrill 2.
Woo! My baby. Blue streak. My baby. Hi, Blue streak. Hey, fun fact. Monorail used to go underneath that back there. Pretty cool stuff. Woo woo. So, after 2 long years, a little more than, we're finally here at, you know, the Top Thrill 2 preview day. We got some friends with us. I'm with Scott, CP coaster lover.
What's up?
We are super excited for today. Mom, how are you feeling after 2 years of coverage finally being here?
Oh my God, I can't wait to get on this thing.
I know.
I'm so freaking excited.
Everyone that's reviewed it so far has told us great things about it, so we're just excited to get into the park, get some rides. Everything's testing. We got Still Vengeance testing in the background over here. You guys will see it go up and over, like right there in a second. But yeah, I mean, it's great already. Great environment. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys.
See, way back here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're here. Keychains.
Oh my gosh.
How was it, Taylor?
It was so good.
Woo!
So
Top Thrill 2. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. We ran into Taylor as we're leaving. We got Scott waiting there, but hell yeah. Can't wait to see you soon. We've made it. First thing we're doing, obviously staring at that beautiful tower behind us. But we're getting our first Magnum rides of the year.
Yeah.
Woo! First rides of the year for Coasters here too, so I'm excited. Hopefully we can get row 17, and this music's gonna get us copyrighted, so bye. First ride of the year, right? And we get to ride with CP Coaster Lover. Woo!
Yeah.
We just waited like 35 minutes for this because it went down. There's nobody up here now, but we've been waiting. We've been waiting. And Top Thrill 2 is in the distance. First ride of the year was on Magnum. How'd you like it, Scott?
Oh, it was fantastic.
How'd you feel about it, Mom?
Stomach drop. I love it.
My stomach said, ooh. Now it's ready for this big one. Ooh. Top Thrill 2. We're going to the lockers right now. Our boarding time is now, so we'll be back. The new area for Top Thrill 2 looking good. And we got Mr. Tony Clark over here. Whoop, whoop.
We were watching. We just got off though.
Oh, our boarding time was 5 to 6. We got in line at 5:30. It's 6:05 now. I had to go get my pump from the locker and put it back on just so we can wait this out, because if I didn't, you know, thankfully we're not past the, you know, past the gates in there, because if we were in there and it went down and then I needed my pump, I'd have to get out and then get behind all of those people back there. So yeah, definitely forcing me to get a medical pass to ride this ride if I want to in the future. It's probably be my one time riding it this year. And that stinks, Cedar Point. But, I mean, it looks beautiful. I can't wait to ride it. It looks fun. So, first official ride on Top Thrill 2.
Oh my God, I
Woo!
was not prepared for that at all.
Right.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
That was an incredible ride, you think?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So, 1 to 10, where's it rank in the park? Give me all that. 1 to 10, what's your ranking?
It's not number one, but it's not.
Yeah, so the area looks phenomenal. They got this whole thing painted out, like the entirety of the midway, the whole way, so it looks like a race course, right? And it's pretty cool. You got my friend CP Coaster over there. We got our ride photos already. They're running this thing fast, like fast operations on it. It's a pretty good ride as far as that. I'll give you guys my review here in a minute, but it's pretty awesome being here again. We got the Top Thrill 2 merch store. There's a lot in here. There's a lot going on in here. But there's some pretty cool stuff here, guys. I mean, tons of merch. Sweatpants with the stuff on it. I mean, anything you can think of in here. They got the racing signs, hoodies with zipper pockets, toddler hoodies with zipper pockets, like above and beyond. These shirts are pretty sweet. I like these ones. And then we got the Top Thrill 2 seagulls. Even more cool merch. I mean, these hoodies are fire. These are some cool hoodies. I really like the blue ones. And I like these black ones that got the cool designs on them. Ooh, that's... merchandise in here is crazy. We got coaster cutouts, everybody. The 360 coaster cutouts, the Parkscapes ones. We got some interesting stuff over here. All the race crew stuff. Shorts. They got zippers on them? No, of course not. These coaster cutouts are amazing, guys. Wow. Mini coasters and stuff. Then we got the basic shirts that we got, like, at the announcement in the early hoodies. Overall, they got a cozy throws. Get out of here, guys. You want a Top Thrill 2 throw? What? Incredible selection of stuff in here. Candies, little bags. You guys can get your tumblers, your Top Thrill 2 hat, Baby I'm Ready to Go shirts. Tons of stuff in here, to be honest with you guys. It's amazing. And they even got sleep pajamas and keychains and fanny packs and racing shirts and other tumblers and jackets, hoodie jackets. It's just, wow. This one's super soft. Wow.
Coaster coasters.
Hey, how's it going? We're gonna go get some Magnum rides. Hey guys, Magnum rides? Woo! 2 Magnum rides on the day with everybody. Great time. I got a little bit of a headache, to be honest with you guys. I don't know. But I'm just excited to be back in the park. It's April, we're in the park riding roller coasters. It's all that matters, honestly. I had a fantastic time today. I'm sure everybody else had a good time today too. I'll ask them in a little bit. Hey, Miko! Woohoo! And Cedar Point has these cool new signs. It'll tell you your wait times. Obviously, it's closed right now, but it's pretty sweet. Scott, genius. We got Beach Cliff front row. We got Trent back row, or say right behind him. I got these guys rolling off. Top Thrill 2 is closed for the day. It seems they've cycled everybody. Midways are emptying out. It's just me and CP Coaster Lover and Robbie at this point. Look at that. Hold on. Let me get you a cool new picture. Oh man, this was so fun. Like, top tier day. We rode Magnum twice. We rode Top Thrill 2 for the first time. And it was amazing. 2 years culminated in this crazy build-up. We got to hang out with so many friends today. That's really what makes the Ghoster Coasters channel what it is. That's what makes going to parks what it is. I wouldn't be able to do this without all the awesome people we run into, like CP Coaster Lover, all the friends of the channel. Me and my mom are eternally grateful to you guys. Thank you so much for letting us cover this. Baby, I'm ready to go. You hear it? Yes. As you guys can't tell, they kind of remixed it up. It's not the exact same song anymore. It's kind of chopped up over some pop music, so it's pretty cool. This whole setup is beautiful, amazing. Just look at the portal, guys. Look at this. Oh. Catching doozies in the wild. Not your normal guy.
But like after the first 2 seconds, once you picked up a little bit of speed.
Once I get my phone, airdrop that. He's Gen Z.
Right
Yeah, I
now.
am too.
Because he's only
It took all of us to figure out how to airdrop a file. One file, 5 minutes to airdrop.
Yeah.
Vlog.
This is like that Spider-Man meme. Not your normal guy.
This is probably...
Very excited because we all just rode Top Thrill 2. Where is it? There it is.
Look at that beauty.
I said it sucked. So we got a second ride on it. We got our second ride in the front row. They were nice enough to let us ride front row. And we really enjoyed that front row. I like it better. Front row better than...
Better than the back row?
I like the back row. Can't lie. This is pretty cool though. This is a good time overall. That's what I'm saying, man.
This has been a fun event, everybody.
What he said. Fun event.
This was a good event. We all had fun. And
It's hard to beat
look,
that.
Look at this entrance. You guys can take your picture.
It's so fun, vlog.
That'll be your single.
I think one of my favorite things is running into people at the parks like that because it's just so fun. Hey, where'd my buddy Scott go?
I know that, yeah.
Oh no, I lost Scott. I'm with the vloggers and lost Scott. It's okay. We'll figure it out, right? Top Thrill 2 is amazing, guys. Check out my view of it. As Beach Cliff closes out his video, I'll close out my video as well. So big shout out to them. Everybody go subscribe to Beach Cliff Studios. If you're not subscribed to Not Your Normal Guy Theme Park, go do that as well. They're like basically the Cedar Point YouTubers you guys see. They cover Cedar Point. We're all here. We're all the time. It just happens. I run into Trent every time I go somewhere. Vlog is... Check out Not Your Normal Guy Theme Parks as he tells you guys to check out me.
You'll see him all over the channel.
See if I can
I'm
get...
sure I'll run into Jared.
Look, guys. There's me.
We have to have our shirtless moment at some point this year.
Dude, you want to do it right now? Videotaping there too? Alright, this thing lit up at night is amazing as we walk out of the park. Like, no one's here anymore. This thing is lit. Wow. It's lit. close it out right now, guys. Thanks for coming along. Documentary coming May 3rd. Race for the Sky. Subscribe now. Join the memberships page by April 29th to be included in the credits. That's all we got for you. We got first riders. Thank you so much, guys. Wow. Guys, we got... Woohoo! Look at Trent doing a twirl. I didn't know he could do that.
I can't do a whistle. Oh, I tried to do the whistle. Da 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 da. I can't whistle.